My name is Lori Thick. I'm the founder of the nonprofit Translators Without Borders. Our mission is to take down the language barriers that stand between people and the information they need to improve their lives. One of those language barriers is in Zimbabwe. We first learned about this when the nonprofit iFixit Foundation came to us and asked us if we could translate some manuals into Shona and Ndebele. These manuals are really important. What they are is maintenance manuals for water pumps. Because what happens is a village relies on a water pump to bring water for their families, for their crops, for their livestock. But when those water pumps fail, they don't have the information they need to fix them. Either the information is not accessible or it's in the wrong language. It's in a European language. This is what the iFixit Foundation is doing to bring those manuals to people in the villages so that they never have to lose access to their water supply again.
So at iFixit, our attitude is we want to find problems and find ways to solve them. So in this particular case, a local nonprofit called LifeWater came to us and said, we're drilling wells, but there's a problem with wells breaking and nobody is tackling it.
LifeWater focuses on addressing the world's water crisis through water sanitation and hygiene programs. The world water crisis is really a combination of things. First, and the one that people most understand, is that 780 million people do not have access to basic water sources.
LifeWater wanted us to create a repair manual, so we decided to start at the very beginning, learning how they work. So we took a course and basically acquired all the skills to not only train but also to repair the pumps. Today we're creating guides. Next stage, we're going to go to Africa. We're going to test our guides. We're going to get in contact with NGOs and locals and gather as much information as we can, to where then we have a program that is worthwhile and has a level of quality that we can then take to the next level.
One of the major problems is that, like, the villagers themselves, they don't know how to maintain these pumps. So organizations have come in and they have drilled this well, they have handed it over to the community, but the maintenance of these pumps has really been a problem. My dream is to have many people with the knowledge how to maintain their pumps, and that it is the village which is doing it themselves.
This is important work, and I'm really excited that we can be part of it. I feel like we're changing the world one word at a time, helping people one water pump at a time. I'd like to thank the MTM LinguaSoft company for this, because they are lending their full support to us in this project. So thank you to MTM LinguaSoft. Thank you to the iFixit Foundation for bringing us into this really worthy project. And thank you to the community of translators for Translators Without Borders. Thanks, everybody.
If you should ever